Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has captivated human imagination for centuries. While schools provide a basic understanding of the red planet, there are numerous intriguing facts that often go unnoticed. In this video, we will delve into the lesser-known aspects of Mars, shedding light on the mysteries that make it one of the most fascinating celestial bodies in our solar system. So sit back and be sure to check your oxygen levels as we visit the planet of Mars. Number 10. Distances and temporal wonders of the red planet. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, maintains an average distance of about 141 million miles or 227 million kilometers from the Sun. In comparison to Earth, it is approximately 49 million miles or 78 million kilometers farther away. This distance, however, is not constant due to Mars's elliptical orbital pattern, making it one of the more distinctive orbits in our solar system. At its aphelion, the farthest point from the Sun, Mars is around 154 million miles or 249 million kilometers away, while at its perihelion, the closest point, it is about 128 million miles or 206 million kilometers distant. Number 9. Mars through time and cultures. Being so bright and quite noticeable, there is truly no single person or civilization credited with being the first to spot it. Nevertheless, there are those who documented the initial sighting of the red planet, and high on that list were the ancient Egyptians, who named the planet Perdicia, or the Red One. Although more commonly known by the Roman god of war, Mars, it boasts various titles across different cultures. The Greeks associated it with their god of war, Ares, while East Asian cultures considered it the fire star. Mars was first observed through a telescope around 1610 by none other than Galileo Galilei. Number 8. Time and space on the red planet. Traveling through our solar system reveals a fascinating trend. Each planet has its own unique daily cycle. Mars, too, follows this pattern, exhibiting a daily cycle remarkably similar to Earth's. A solar day on Mars lasts just under 24 hours and 39 minutes, a mere 39-minute difference from Earth's solar day. This similarity arises from the shared traits of axial tilt and rotation between the two planets. Zooming out to a larger time frame, we discover that a Martian year spans approximately 686 Earth days. The commonalities in axial tilt and rotation contribute to the slight variation of only 39 minutes between the two planets. Interestingly, Mars designates one solar day as a sol, and this unit becomes crucial for landing missions, marking each day spent on the Martian surface. Embarking on a journey to Mars from Earth is a formidable undertaking, requiring a substantial 300 days or roughly 8 months. Number 7. Weight loss wonders. Ever dreamt of shedding some pounds effortlessly? Well, a journey to Mars might just be the unconventional weight loss secret you're looking for. Imagine this. If you currently tip the scales at 100 pounds on Earth, on Mars, that number magically drops to a mere 38 pounds. Now, we get it. Weight is essentially a dance between gravity and matter, and its universal importance might be a bit overstated in our human lives. But if you're on the lookout for a unique and speedy weight loss hack, why not consider a visit to the red planet? Number 6. A distinguished color. The Martian planet's surface is a remarkable spectacle, with an uncanny resemblance to the patterns of rust. The main reason behind Mars's distinctive red color is the abundant presence of iron oxide in its surface material. What continues to puzzle us is the extensive oxidation of iron in an atmosphere containing merely 0.2% oxygen. Scientists propose various theories to unravel this mystery, such as rainstorms during Mars's early years, a billion years of sunlight breaking down carbon dioxide into oxidants, or intense dust storms breaking down quartz crystals to reveal oxygen-rich surfaces. Number 5. The two moons, Phobos and Deimos. Mars, our neighbor in the solar system, boasts two captivating companions gracefully twirling in its orbit, Deimos and Phobos. These moons take their names from the legendary horses pulling the war chariot of Mars, the Roman god of war. Deimos, meaning dread, and Phobos, translating to fear, perfectly encapsulate their connection to the martial spirit. Discovered just 6 days apart in August 1877 by astronomer Asaph Hall, these moons added a fascinating chapter to our understanding of the red planet. Hall, besides unveiling these celestial partners, also determined Mars' mass relative to its size. These moons are relatively petite, with Phobos measuring 13 miles across and Deimos at 7 miles, a mere fraction of Earth's moon. To put it in perspective, Mars' moons are roughly 1/200th the size of ours. However, Deimos is uniquely positioned, being 20 times closer to Mars than our moon is to Earth. Number 4. Unusual climate winter. Because Mars rotates similarly to Earth, it goes through 4 distinct seasons. However, its oval-shaped orbit makes these seasons vary in length. Compared to the other 8 planets, Mars has a rather unique weather pattern that you won't find anywhere else in our solar system. In the grip of a Martian winter, the planet's average temperature, already a freezing -80 degrees Fahrenheit, takes a plunge to a bone-chilling 190 degrees below. What's interesting is that in this harsh cold, Mars also showcases a second type of ice made from carbon dioxide, commonly known as dry ice. Unlike the familiar water frost we experience on Earth, Mars's carbon dioxide frost doesn't thaw or melt. Number 3. Mars has intense dust storms. Aside from its peculiar weather, Mars is quite the dust bowl, and here's something that might astonish you. Dust storms are a regular occurrence, all powered by sunshine. The red dust from Mars' dry and arid surface gets swept around by solar wind, creating swirling patterns. This dusty phenomenon primarily originates from a deep crater, the aftermath of a substantial impact in Mars' ancient past. Number 2. Red planet's robotic pioneers. Absolutely. There are 4 rovers currently chilling on Mars. Sojourner, Opportunity, Spirit, and Curiosity were all dispatched to investigate, collect samples, and snap pictures of the Martian environment, from its soil and air to potential signs of life. Although only Curiosity and Opportunity are still up and running, all 4 rovers are still stationed on the red planet's surface. Who knows, if we ever venture to Mars, we might just reunite with these robotic explorers. Number 1. Possibility of life. While there is currently no conclusive evidence of life on Mars, scientists are optimistic about its potential to support life due to favorable conditions. Recent discoveries of water ice just beneath the Martian surface have heightened the belief that there might be the possibility of life existing beneath the outer layers of the planet.